Taking a look at APLD here, and we are up about 6% today. APLD looks very good, and mentioning in our previous video, I did say between $3.34 and $4.30 would be a dip opportunity. As you can see here, we respected that support here of $3.34 with the exception of testing $3.31, but we got bought all the way back up now to $4.32. The next resistance I would keep an eye out for is $5.30. If you want to compare the current price here all the way to $5.30, that is going to be about a 24% move back up to the top side. This would also fulfill the gap fill we've had here previously between 414 and 415. So April 14, April 15 there is going to be that gap fill that we are going to be moving towards. I am keeping an eye out for an upside move here for APLD. I've been mentioning this during the previous few days for APLD stock, and I'm happy to say that it is moving towards the direction that I am optimistic about, okay? I'm not going to say I'm 100% correct all the time, but I am leaning towards this move to $5.30. Let me know what your thoughts are down below in the comments for APLD, and if you are a long-term investor for APLD, what is your average? And it's definitely okay to say, $7, $8, $9. Everyone's going to be somewhere in their average for APLD, and I'm not saying it's fine to be buying high, but in my opinion, for next time, it's always better to have cash on the side to be potentially buying the dip. And again, if APLD hypothetically rallied all the way up to $12.50, I do not want to be buying up here while it's $8, $9, $10, right? Personally, in my opinion, when the stock market is down or when a stock is beaten down and when there's no more hope left, that is when I would want to be buying APLD, right? Take a look at the 200-day moving average. It's currently at almost $7. Anything below the 200-day moving average, in my personal opinion, is a dip opportunity. And seeing as we're currently at $4.30, let's go ahead and just measure the move here right now. That's nearly a 40% move all the way from the 200-day moving average. So 40% move to the downside from the 200-day moving average. That is a dip opportunity. Usually I'm just looking for a 20% move to the downside from the 200-day moving average, and that's enough for me to say, okay, I'm comfortable personally buying this stock. That would be right around $5.58. So now that we're currently at $4.31, I think this is a double down type of move here for me. Personally, I would be doubling down for APLD here at these current levels. That's just my personal opinion. I do believe that we will eventually retest $12.48. Just know that at the moment here, we are currently below the 200-day moving average. And in the short term here, we're just looking to potentially break out of this downtrend pattern. And I do firmly believe in just the next couple of days or weeks, we should be able to break out of this downtrend pattern and break into a new pattern, potentially towards the top side. So definitely keep an eye out for a stair step back up to the top side. Like I mentioned, $5.30 resistance is going to be tested, in my opinion. $6.66, $8.03, eventually $9.73. And I do believe eventually we will get this retest of $12.48. Let me know what your thoughts are down below in the comments. And as always, make sure to do also your own due diligence. Understand why you are trading APLD, why you're invested in it. Are you swing trading it, or are you a long-term investor? And as a long-term investor, even as a swing trader, I really think this is a good dip opportunity for APLD. And again, let us know down below in the comments what your average is. And if you want to join our community, our Discord link is going to be down below in the description, or the QR code on the right side here. Free to join. We have over 32,000 people and a dedicated chat section for APLD. We share our due diligence and technical analysis on a daily basis, so you're more than welcome to come on in and share your thoughts with us anytime. If you are looking for live entries and exits on stocks and options, then I highly recommend joining our Patreon. We do have a 90% off permanent discount right now as we're celebrating our 5-year anniversary. Come on in. Stock alerts are all going to be at $10, and options alerts are going to be about $20. Come on in. I really recommend checking out the Patreon, see if there's any available spots. And again, if you don't want to join the Patreon, it's totally optional. You can just join the Discord. That way you can chat with us for APLD stock. Thanks for watching, you guys. If you enjoyed the video, please feel free to like the video to support the channel, and subscribe, turn on notifications, as I will be making more APLD videos.